Imagine using a Forex broker that actually features the most easiest interface for even beginners to use, make their account navigation very easy, and on top that, they also provide you 24/7 market analytics, market news, and every single information you need to know about the market as a trader. Won't that be nice? Well, I know that's what every single trader out there wants, and guess what? LiteFinance is actually doing that for us. So hello guys, the app under discussion today is the LiteFinance mobile app. I believe you can actually see it over here on your screen right now. Now the LiteFinance mobile app, as you can see right now, currently the best trading platform and one of the easiest to actually navigate. So in order to download this app, all you need to do is simply come over to Play Store. Now if you are using an iPhone, you go over to your Apple Store. So I'm shooting the video with my iPhone and then taking the screen recording with my Android. So guys, now we are on the LiteFinance mobile app. Now once you come over to this mobile app, here's how the whole interface actually look. Very easy for beginners. Now unlike other trading platforms whereby in order for you to make deposit you have to scroll back and front, look for this, look for that, no, on LiteFinance is very easy. Or you can basically do simply, once you log into your mobile app, this is how the interface actually looks. You can click on here to see more profile information, or basically come over here and click on where it says account information, and you can basically access those from here. Now next up is simply, if you want to deposit into your account, no more stress going back and forth. You just click on where it says top up. Now once you click on top up, it brings you straight up here. Then you select any of the deposit option you want to use that actually suits you. You can see very simple and straightforward. Now unlike before, whereby when it comes to depositing, whereby you can just deposit without having clear information about your deposit, well, now they actually give you a 24/7 update about your deposit, every single information you need to know to make sure that what you are doing the right deposit to avoid any sort of error. Now when I say avoiding any sort of error, those of us who actually use crypto to deposit into brokers, you understand what I'm saying, because when it comes to crypto deposit, any slight mistake, you've lost everything. And LiteFinance actually cares about you. They want you to avoid this, so they made it very easy for you to deposit so that you don't make any mistake and lose your money. Now next up is simply their internal transfer. Now with this one, you can transfer within your account from one place to another. You don't have to stress yourself either. Wallet, you can come over here to see your wallet address. Now you can see this is the last wallet address I've actually associated with this account. There was a time where I was making a tutorial on how you can deposit and withdraw from your LiteFinance. Well, I had to use this account. I had to fund it during the video, and I also made a withdrawal during the video. That's why I see that I have a wallet attached to it already. Those of you who haven't deposited or withdrawn from that account, you are not going to get any notification or any wallet address here. You have to include that yourself. Now the other side, you can come over here. Here is basically the history, where you get to see your whole account history, your trade history. You can see from here, they are going to give you the total information about trade and every single thing you've done already. So during that video, I also showed a tutorial on how to place trade on LiteFinance. So basically, I just use this account. It's a backup account I use for all of those things. Now, in case you want to withdraw your money after trading, you've made some profit, like I do every single week, taking withdrawals, you just click on where it says withdraw. Now once you click on withdraw, it brings you over to the withdrawal page. You see, I have already attached a wallet, so that will be the one at the top. If you haven't included any wallet before, nothing will be attached to it. Now guys, now let's get down to the main information here. Now here's the instrument. You see, unlike other brokers whereby you have to move to a different page before you see the tradable instrument, LiteFinance didn't want you to go through this stress. So they basically feature the instrument on the home page. You see popular instruments. You can click here for all, and then can basically have them and then go through them one after the other. Or basically, if you're a copy trader as well, you can see these are traders that I have copied over here before, or I have used as an example in video, so that's why they got featured here. So if you're a trader who's also trying to copy other profitable traders to make more money, well, you can basically do that here by clicking on any of these profiles. Then you can basically enter the amount you want to invest, so forth and so on, and then just click on copy and you'll be good to go. Now further down here, this is where you get to see trading signals. Now you see people. Now these trading signals, they actually analyze the market to see the ratio of trade people are actually placing. Like if there are people placing buys, people placing sells, they are going to observe both sides of it, and they give you a percentage of, you can see market sentiment. They are, according to Euro USD, there are 58.8% of people on the short side and then 41% on the buy side. Now this signal is not something that you must trade, it's optional. They are just giving information based on how other people have actually placed trade in this market from various brokers and not just from them alone. And next up is simply the most important part of trading, which is here. So instead of, as a trader, we all know the stress we used to go through. We have to go over to Forex factory every single time we want to place a trade to go see when there is news coming, which currency will this news affect, information about news and all of that. Well, LiteFinance didn't want us to go through this stress again, so what they did was basically simple. They added that section in their website, so you'll be able to see all the coming news information. My phone almost fell right now. Now you see, coming soon, these are the news coming. I'm currently recording this video on a Sunday evening, so it's 6:50 p.m. in Ghana right now. So basically, you can see here they are featuring the news. I forgot you are seeing it at the side there. So you can see yesterday news, today news, tomorrow news. Then if you want to see more, you just click on it. It says oh. Now they are going to feature the current news that are coming. So anytime there's a news coming up, they are going to feature it here. As a trader, this is very important because placing trade without knowing which news is coming up next in the market is a very huge gamble. That's why it's very advisable for you to use LiteFinance so that you don't have to be going over to Forex Factory to go see which news is coming up next. But you basically see every single information about the news, and then they don't just add the information, but they add more details like the description, what the news means, how the news is going to affect the market. You can see the table, the previous performance of this news, how this information has been going. For fundamental traders, they need this data way more than you and I actually need it. And for here, there are short information over the years on how this news has been affecting this particular market. Now, this is one of the best things a broker can actually do for their traders, and this is why I keep telling you that what LiteFinance is one broker that actually wants you and I to win. Now, portfolio here, you can click on portfolio. Now, they are going to show you other information related to your trade, which is number of trades you've taken, number of copy trades you've actually taken. Now, market. Now, here you can see further information on the pairs you can actually trade. You can see all market, you can come cryptocurrency, currency pairs, commodities, indices. You are going to get all of those right here. Now, to follow up with that, you can see they have the market analytics under here where they analyze these pairs, give you information you need to know before you take any trade related to these pairs, so that what you will be ready for whatever trade you are taking, because you already have much information required to do so. Now, that aside, you can come over here to traders. Now, over here at traders, this way become a copy trader. Now, when you talk of becoming a copy trader, it's basically you copy other people's trade, people who are highly profitable in the market. You copy their trade and make money. Now, this is one thing that made me actually fall in love with LiteFinance over other brokers. Other brokers, there's a very high amount that you need to have in your account, maybe 500 to thousands of dollars before you'll be able to copy other profitable traders. Well, with LiteFinance, they don't require you to have all of this amount. They just make a list of traders there. Whatever amount you have in your account, there's surely a trader that will allow you to use that amount to copy their trade. And I think this is the best thing that can happen to you as a beginner trader, is being able to copy other profitable traders and become profitable when you don't have enough money to trade in the first place, because now you copied a lot of traders, so you'll be able to make money from their profitable trade and also lose money from their losing trade. But at the end of the day, it's a good start for a beginner to actually make money in the market without a trading knowledge. So if you want to sign up for LiteFinance, guys, so many good things about them. Use the link that will be available in this video description, and I'll also place it in the comment section as well. Now, guys, that aside, another thing that actually made me fall in love is their 24/7 support. Now, unlike other trading platforms whereby if you want to chat with their support, they will have to send you to an external website to go have that conversation with their support, LiteFinance doesn't want you to go through this stress. So what they did was simple. You just have their chat feature on the platform here. So if you want to chat with their customer service or anybody, you basically just click on support service, and then you can type whatever thing you want to say, and then they are going to reply you within a few minutes. You are going to get your response. And this is one thing that actually made me love LiteFinance, and so forth and so on. So guys, if you're a trader out there who is really willing and looking forward to trade with a very reliable platform that doesn't just want you to be a trader but want you to be a successful trader, then LiteFinance is the best for you to actually get started with. And they also have trading tips featured at the home page here, as you can see over there, for you to actually get started as well. So if you're a beginner who doesn't have much knowledge, well, these tips are actually going to help you and really take you far in the market. So guys, so this is without taking much of your time. See you in my next video. Bye.